Welcome to the Forum Motors YouTube channel where we bring you the latest insights and reviews on the most exciting vehicles on the road today. In this video, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. This latest release from Toyota is designed with adventure and comfort in mind, blending the reliability of Toyota engineering with the convenience of a fully functional motorhome. The 2025 Toyota Camper is built on a rugged yet smooth driving chassis, offering an excellent combination of durability and ride quality. It comes equipped with a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain that balances power and economy, making it ideal for long road trips or off-grid living. The handling has also been enhanced compared to previous models, giving drivers more control even on winding or uneven terrain. Inside, the camper is packed with thoughtful features and modern touches. The living area is designed to maximize space and comfort, including a convertible dining and sleeping space, a compact yet efficient kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, and microwave, and a well-organized bathroom with a shower. Toyota has also improved insulation and climate control to make sure you're comfortable in both hot and cold environments. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the integrated smart system. This includes a touchscreen control panel for managing lighting, climate, and water levels, as well as solar power compatibility and USB-C ports throughout the cabin. High-speed Wi-Fi capability and satellite TV prep also make this motorhome a great choice for those who want to stay connected on the go. In terms of storage, the camper is smartly designed with multiple cabinets, under-seat compartments, and exterior access storage units. This ensures you have plenty of space for gear, supplies, and personal items without sacrificing interior comfort. The layout supports extended travel and makes everyday tasks more convenient whether you're parked at a campground or off the beaten path. The exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Camper is both functional and stylish. It features aerodynamic contours, LED lighting, a retractable awning, and optional all-terrain tires for those seeking more rugged adventures. Safety is also a top priority, with Toyota Safety Sense offering adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems as standard. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is an impressive update that caters to a new generation of travelers looking for efficiency, style, and innovation in one complete package. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time nomad, this camper has the versatility and dependability to support your journey. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns of the latest vehicles, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Forum Motors.